welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Aneke. How you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to the channel and for sticking with your girl. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I do my personal budget. I talk about my money and staying out of debt. I talk about what are my future plans for my money and all that good jazz. So if this is something that you are interested in, thank you so much for coming to your girl's channel, and I hope you consider subscribing. Now, guys, we are going to do this expense tracker, this weekly check-in. This is the week of September 12 through 18, and guys, I'm doing this on a Friday because outside is looking beautiful. It's sunshine, blue skies, and you know South Korea ain't about that life, so I gotta take what I can get. Also, guys, before I open this, I have my cash envelopes here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through the expenses in here, and then we're actually gonna unstuff our funds that we're going to be depositing into the bank. So I'm gonna set this aside for now, and then once we're done, then we are going to unstuff based on the categories. I thought that was a little, you know, would be a little cute to put in. So anyways, oh y'all, I didn't even do the top. Hold up, let me do the top real quick and then we can start. Okay y'all, so I have written in the top because I don't know what was up, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in so y'all can see what's up. Let me move this over so y'all can see what's good, what's good. Okay, so I have my AC on and I'm right underneath it, so if you guys hear a little bit of like air in the background, that's what's up. But let's go through our weekly check-in. So this is a check-in for September 12 through 18 of 2020. Our first expense is a weekly spending. I bought some snacks, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was having a rough day. Listen, this time of the year, because I am financing the military, is a rough time. September is just a rough month altogether. But yeah, your girl was stressing, and so I stressed at, and I bought some snacks. They were $4.99. You know, I put my pennies towards saving, and then that was a total of $5 from weekly spending. Then I had, what is this? On the 17th, I had weekly spending again, and I bought Chili's. Yeah, I bought some food from Chili's. I did not pack lunch that day, you know, bad me. But yeah, I bought some lunch from Chili's. It was $15.90. It was delicious though, and that was 10 cents going towards saving, and so that made a total of $16. Then we had also on miscellaneous, on the 17th, not on miscellaneous, but the 17th in miscellaneous, I took a taxi. I had to walk to work one day, and then I just took a taxi, you know, from the taxi location to my place of employment. So I took a taxi to work. That was $3.25. 75 cents goes towards saving, and that's a total of $4. Then I had toiletries. Y'all, my what is it? My lotion was finishing, and my friend mentioned something about using baby oil on her skin, and I was like, little baby, this makes so much sense, and it is sensitive because it's for baby skin. So I was like, bruh, I'm gonna use this, and I might be late to the game, but if I am, it's whatever. But y'all, it has been probably one of the best decisions I made buying this baby oil to use as my lotion, because my skin is hella sensitive. And so that was $3.40, hella expensive. So 60 cents went to saving, and that was a total of $4 from toiletries. Then here again, I know I bought the Aussie conditioner because they had a small bottle in stock, and I was like, bro, the other one, it was all right, but it wasn't Aussie moisturizing. And so I needed the Aussie moisturizing, and so I bought the conditioner. That was $2.31, and so 69 cents went to saving, making a total of $3. And then the last thing that happened was groceries. Groceries for this week was only $18.94. I don't know what I had. I think I bought a lot of stuff last week, and so I didn't need a lot of food this week, and so the only thing I bought was $18.94. Plus we had like a whole bunch of like food things, so I just had excess food this week are food that I didn't even need to make or buy myself. So I only spent $18.94 this week. And so 6 cents is going towards savings, and that makes a total of $19. So when we calculate the amount, it comes up to $48.79. When we calculate savings, it comes up to $2.21. And when it comes up to the total for the entire week, we spent $51, y'all. $51. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to go on my phone, check my app, and see how much is on my credit card. So currently on my credit card, I have a balance of $48.79. So I am completely even for what I spent this week. I didn't spend none over. I didn't get no extra money, no over money, nothing. So yay for me. Everything went on my credit card for this week. So this is the amount that is on here. So we're just gonna fill out the bottom portion for the bank deposit, credit card payment, saving deposit, and credit card balance as of 18 September. I hope the sunlight ain't going down like that. So we're just gonna write in the credit card balance because we know what it is, and it is $48.79. And so our bank deposit, I believe I write everything in black. Yep. Our bank deposit is $51. That's how much we're depositing. Credit card payment is this week. It matches this week because we didn't, spend anything. We didn't pay for anything with cash. We used our card. So we are doing $48.79. And then saving gets $2.21. And so that in total comes up to this 51. Okay, so for notes, do I have any notes this week? The only thing I have this week is that for travel, I will not be getting back that money. I will not be getting back that hotel. And I'm annoyed, upset, but it is what it is at this point. So what we're gonna do is we are going to take our cash binder. This is the bank deposit, and we are going to get the funds out. So we have groceries losing $19. So we are actually, let me start with weekly spending so I can get some change. So your girl can, so I'm gonna do 19, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So that is 19 from weekly spending. Wait, hold on. It's supposed to be 16 and 5. I'm so sorry. 16 and 5 from weekly spending. So this is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's for snacks. And then 16, so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So that is gonna be coming from spending money, and I'll update these later. Then miscellaneous is in the other one. Toiletries, I believe, is in this one. And toiletries is losing $4. So I'm gonna, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, toiletries lost $4. I'll update that as well. That's 4. Then hair is in here. Hair is in here. Here it goes. So hair is losing $3. So, ooh, okay. So this is a 5, and then I'm gonna take 2 back. So hair is losing $3. Okay. Take this. Put in here. And then what else? Groceries. Now we can take the $19 from groceries because we have change. So we only need a 20, and then we're just gonna take $1. And so that has groceries remainder in here. Okay. And so that is everything for the cash envelope for this binder. Now for this binder, I believe the only thing we are getting money from is miscellaneous. So, oh, here's miscellaneous. So we are taking out $4 from miscellaneous. So we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me actually do a 10 and get back some change because I don't want to have too much gone. I want to have the ones for, you know, other times. So that is miscellaneous, and I will update the cards later, you guys. And so in total, I should have $51 here. So it's, yep, so this should be $51 right here. So this is 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So this is $51, so that is correct. This is what I will be depositing into the bank. These are not the same. Yeah, I will be depositing this into the bank. And so what I will do is I will put it in this envelope that says bank deposit. And then I will deposit this on either Monday or Tuesday of next week. Just I will deposit it at some point to the bank. And yeah, so that is my weekly check-in, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the updated version with me just going through what I spend and actually doing the unstuffing of my cash envelope, so you guys see how, you know, I did stuff it with my paycheck, but I unstuff it when I have my expenses for the week. I thought it would be really cute for you guys. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. And also, if you do enjoy the content here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Again, my name is Aneke. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.